Box jellyfish. Found mainly in the waters around Australia and Southeast Asia, this creature is considered one of the most venomous animals on the planet. Its tentacles can stretch up to 3 meters long and are covered in tiny stingers that fire venom the moment they touch skin. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells all at once, which is why victims can go into shock within minutes. Swimmers who encounter one rarely have time to react. Blue-ringed octopus. This small octopus lives in tide pools and shallow reefs across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It is barely the size of a tennis ball, but carries enough venom to kill over 24 adult humans. The venom is not injected through a traditional fang, but delivered through a bite that is often painless, meaning victims sometimes do not realize they have been envenomated until paralysis begins. The blue rings on its body glow brightly as a warning when the animal feels threatened. Platypus. One of the most unexpected animals on this list, the platypus looks harmless and is often associated with its unusual appearance rather than any danger. The male carries a spur on each hind leg connected to a venom gland. While the venom is not lethal to humans, it causes excruciating pain that can last for weeks and does not respond well to standard painkillers. The platypus is one of the very few venomous mammals in the world, and scientists have studied its venom closely for potential medical applications. Cone snail. Despite its beautiful shell and slow movement, this small ocean creature is surprisingly dangerous. It lives on the seafloor in tropical waters and hunts by firing a tiny harpoon-like tooth loaded with venom. The venom contains hundreds of different compounds that paralyze prey almost instantly. There is no anti-venom available, and a sting from a larger species can be fatal to humans. Many people have been stung simply by picking one up on a beach, not realizing the danger hidden inside. Slow loris. At first glance, this wide-eyed primate from Southeast Asia appears gentle and harmless. It is often illegally sold as a pet because of its appearance. However, the slow loris is the only known venomous primate. It produces a secretion from glands on its arms that, when mixed with saliva, becomes toxic. It applies this mixture to its fur and can deliver a venomous bite that causes tissue death and severe allergic reactions in humans. The illegal pet trade has caused serious harm to its wild population, and handling one is far more dangerous than most people assume. Stonefish. Resting motionless on the ocean floor, this fish blends perfectly with rocks and coral, making it nearly invisible. It is found across the Indo-Pacific region and is widely regarded as the most venomous fish in the world. Along its back are sharp spines that inject venom when stepped on. The pain is described as one of the worst a human can experience, often causing people to lose consciousness. Immediate treatment with hot water and antivenom is critical to survival. Inland taipan. Native to the dry outback of Central Australia, this snake holds the record for the most toxic venom of any land snake in the world. A single bite contains enough venom to kill dozens of adult humans. What makes it especially potent is how fast it acts on the blood, breaking down clotting ability and attacking the nervous system at the same time. Despite this, it is actually a shy animal that rarely encounters people, which is why human fatalities are extremely rare. Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth, found on a handful of Indonesian islands, has long been the subject of debate among scientists regarding how it kills its prey. For years, it was believed bacteria in its mouth caused infection and eventual death. Research later confirmed it also has venom glands that produce compounds preventing blood from clotting and causing a drop in blood pressure. Combined with its powerful jaws and serrated teeth, the venom makes prey weak and unable to escape. It can take down animals as large as water buffalo and has been responsible for attacks on humans as well.